be doing the ML and AI features building.
So you want 3 or 4th?
Fourth.
Okay. Next question. How experienced is your team with AI coding?
First one.
Heavily uses. What do you
Yes.
most need to out of this exercise? Cost estimate, resource mapping, both equally, a defensible breakdown structure. What do you need?
First one.
First one?
Yes.
How is it? AI-driven effort. This is the power of prompt, right prompting. Happy? Okay. You can
Mm.
you can make more better prompt. Like I really liked what Bilal put. Okay, Bilal actually used the persona. Okay. Now use whatever the tools you like. It does not matter, but start somewhere, guys. Okay. So I'm putting Bilal prompt into Gemini. Okay. Could you please share your details? It is asking you a question, workspace, how we will pursue. Like you talk to it, answer it, give that information, work better into that. You got the point, guys? Okay, I want everyone to at least put one time in ChatGPT or Claude. Play with the tool, whichever you like. It's okay. The tool that you like most, use that. Please play with it. This is the most important part of the class. Doing something. When I started this presentation, if I can show you the prompt, how I started making this presentation class. If I don't, I'm not sure I have the entire chat, but maybe Claude has that one or not. Because I started it long back. My first prompt was, I'm going to draft a presentation from zero, consider them as a 4th class graduate, and I want to start from, actually now I have 75 slides. The first time I got 550 slides. I'm crippling, okay, I don't want to teach them this. Later. Easy, easy. The language, last night I slept uh, like quite late as compared to my normal time. I was only doing one communication. Explain with this as you will explain to 5-year-old child. Explain with this, that is my quality standard. Not everyone here is very highly qualified, everyone very highly IT. That is a quality bar. Got it? Play it, guys, please. Please put the prompt. This is very important. If you don't do the prompt right now, there is no reason of joining the class. You can actually leave. Because if this is not beneficial for you, unless if you don't use it. Beautiful prompt, Shri. Beautiful prompt. Good job. By the way, guys, only how many? Only 20 comments, 14 reposts, and 43 likes. 100 of you are here, yeah. Please take a minute and do that on LinkedIn, yeah. You are my certified students, yeah. I don't have to ask you second time. It breaks my heart. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Do you need more time for prompting, or shall I go to next thing? More time for prompting, or shall I go to next slide? Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay. Vijita, let me get nationality. I'm Pakistani by national. Okay, prompting is clear. Now, by the way, just to put in the context, even if you have not done, I still gave you few things there. Where is my prompt? Yeah, okay. So I still gave you, like, if you just want the ready-made prompts for you. Okay, initiation, you are a project manager, draft one page. I gave you 50 prompts. Okay, I do recommend start playing it and improve it. There are the general 50 prompts for you straightforward. Okay, then these are the prompt that quickly you can use it. You want weekly status report, risk register, stakeholder email, minutes of meeting, executive summary, escalation, change impact, lesson learned, decision option, etc. etc. Okay, I also put the safety notes here. But these are just for you to look into that. Okay, these are just to look into that. The goal here is you can do it yourself. Got it? Become so better that you get good at it. Okay, let's go. So this is status report. How do you do into it? So I gave you 10 prompts, each for one for weekly status, risk register, stakeholder email, minutes of meeting, executive summary, escalation, everything which I could think about project manager should know. Okay. So you see, this is the color. I put it, I guess it was 1 a.m. that I wrote these things. That's why the font is different. I was doing the final editing. Now, when you are using specially AI agents, please have a non-negotiable guardrail. Read each task. For that, make a status, need a human approval. Message owners, limit what data can be do. Right? These limits are very important. If you don't put that in prompt, AI can cause a problem into that. Of course, you can write method statement, whatever you want to see, you can write. Okay, so many of you asked about safety rules. These are the safety rules I put into that. That's very important for you. Draft is safe. Sending, you should read it. Reading is safer than changing. Read it, you send, it's gone. Automate, low risk action, but human approval. Every agent needs to have a stop button. Okay. And every agent needs a name owner who is responsible here. These 5 rules are very important. They're non-negotiable here. So how we can use AI twins? Ask your project twin, what if key vendor delays? Let me give you an example of that. Okay. Prompt we already did, right? I did it. So leading AI, not using AI. How you can build AI into that? Where do we play and how do we win AI? This question, at least 10 of you have asked me which tool I should use. That's not important. Important is what you want to do. What is the use case you are trying to solve? Start small, prove it, then next thing. Scale, that works. Exactly what I said to you. Get the free version, use it, and then go ahead. Clear? Free version, use it. Now, yesterday I got a tool that is called Whisper Flow. Okay. Now that's why you remember I said you don't need to even write down the prompt at the end of the class. So let me show you what do I mean by that. Where is my FN? I guess while the screen is there, it's not working. It's working now. Okay, here you go. Act as a senior project manager and you are also a risk analyst. Make sure that you consider yourself as a certified RMP. I want you to analyze a report in a way that can share us how to identify the qualitative risk and quantitative risk. And at the end, I want you to give me a reference, what past projects have the organization done and how it can affect my career. Make sure that you have all the information, and if there's any confusion, please ask before proceeding. Voila, I did not write anything. Magic. Why it is helpful? First thing, it will improve your English. Okay. Second thing, as a human, your typing speed normally is 40 to 50 keywords. Your writing speed is 40 to 50 keywords. You can type, but you speak normally 100 to 150 words. Like for me, I speak more than 200 words. Now, and secondly, when you are writing, you get so tired, you tuck, enter it. How many of you do that? Right? Thank you, Amjad sir. But when you are you are speaking, it is written in front of you. You are also reading it. I have found that very helpful. Okay. Good for you guys. You can use like ChatGPT. You can speak in that also. If you don't want to use any tool, they have their native tool also. Okay. But this tool I used. Actually, I asked them give me a referral link, but they have not given it. But still, the class is there. I gave it to you. Uh, you can use this tool straightforward. If you don't want to download anything, just open this. Hey, Claude, I want you to teach me how to write down the prompt. What is the best way to write down the prompt? You can also do this way. Okay. Same goes for ChatGPT. ChatGPT also have that. The goal is that, again, it's not what AI can do. What do you want to do it? Ask right question. Elon Musk says that it's not the problem that we don't have answer. Universe is the answer. The problem is not we do not ask right questions. Okay. So this is what we need to do. Okay. So anchor to the value, what value you are trying to generate, what use case you want to solve. Start small and then scale. Please, most of you are not business owner. Do not spend like I spent $1,000 on Alex AI, 100 $200 on Claude, almost $2,000 on AI tools. And for this class, I attended three master classes. One I am also attending on 4th of July. After that, whatever